Hi, my name is Albert and this is my little brother Leo, and we're gonna do some mulching.
The tools that we have are 2 rakes, 2 shovels, and 1 wheelbarrow.
I'm gonna show you how to load up the wheelbarrow halfway of mulch. Now we're gonna go take the wheelbarrow to a pear tree.
And before we do that, before we scoop the mulch into there, we need to remove all the weeds that we can remove.
We've got the weeds up, most of the big weeds around the tree. So now we're gonna dump the mulch and spread it around the tree. So now I'm spreading the mulch around the tree ring. And now I'm making this even. So now we did it.
Very good.